Hey guys, it's Alex and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to do a quick eye look with our new Be a Mermaid and Make Waves palette. Because she's a beauty, let me tell ya. If you like this look, then keep on watching. If you don't like this look, then you should still keep on watching. Okay. Let's go. I'm tapping into Sure Thing for my crease and my base color. To amp up my crease color, I'm gonna go in the shade Beach Please. For the middle part of my lid, I'm gonna go into the shade Mimosa. For the inner part of my lid, as well as my inner corner, I'm gonna tap into the shade Rose. Let's finish the eye look with tapping into Beach Please for your lower lash line. Now I can't not do some liner, so I'm gonna use our Tarte Double Stick Eyeliner, the liquid side. I'm gonna do a quick micro line before I apply my mascara. Now we're gonna finish the eye look with our Lights Camera Lashes in its brand new gorgeous mermaid packaging. I mean, would you just look at it? Yeah. I love our Lights Camera Lashes Form-on Mascara because it conditions, lengthens, curls, and volumizes these lashes, so the before and after is literally always amazing. And quick tip, if you have straight lashes that kind of go straight, then I would actually curl it from the bottom as well as on the top. So you just curl like this, normally how you would apply mascara, and then you go from the top of your lashes and kind of curl it upward. That way the mascara dries in like a natural curl. Now to finish off the look, I'm gonna use our new Color Splash lipstick in the shade Body Surf. It is one of our shade shifting lipsticks, so you can also use this as a highlight. I actually usually do, but I've actually put Nude Beach on as the highlight, which is one of the eyeshadows in the palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I enjoyed making it for you. I especially love using all of these beautiful colors because it looks really good with brown eyes. If you want me to do anything else with this palette, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I will see you guys later in my next vlog or in an Instagram story or on Snapchat. I'll see you when I see ya. Bye.